this is the fight for the national capital. It is now in its log overs, and in moments from now, we are expecting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will be holding this mega public rally in Delhi's R.K. Puram. Now, when it comes to the BJP, which has roped in all of the NDA MPs to campaign in the last and the final leg before Delhi goes to vote on the 5th of February, and of course, the results that come out on the 8th. Arvind Kejriwal, meanwhile, of the Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, has too launched a scathing attack on the BJP, accusing the party of resorting to hooliganism and threats ahead of elections, where he has now sought EC's intervention, claiming that attacks on the Aam Aadmi Party karyakartas by the BJP, where the high-stakes Delhi Assembly elections are now slated for the 5th, and ahead of that, all eyes are now on the Prime Minister's last campaign rally that shortly will be taking place.
As the national capital approaches the polls, Prime Minister Modi is all set to arrive in the national capital to campaign in R.K. Puram. You can see that a sea of saffron has emerged here in this particular constituency in South Delhi. You can see that people have queued up in absolutely large numbers. They are carrying placards and they are carrying flags in support of the BJP. The candidate from here is Anil Sharma, and you can see here that several posters have also been put up, but the exuberance is in the air. The anticipation for Prime Minister Modi to arrive here is extremely high. In fact, you can see that the environment is extremely palpable. In fact, one of the key issues that will be raised today will be the Yamuna and the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party has been unable to keep up to their promises. The Prime Minister is expected to rake up a sharp political attack on the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, Pradeep Datta and also Isha, who are joining us live right now, good afternoon to both of you. Pradeep, we are expecting the Prime Minister's rally to begin shortly, and of course, this is the way that the BJP wants to come to power in the national capital, and this is the double engine ki sarkar that they talk of. But right now, when it comes to this triangular fight that seems to be getting intense with both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in the fray.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Only 2 days left for the election, and you can see the campaigning has been intensified by each and every party. But so far as this R.K. Puram is concerned, people since morning had been eagerly waiting for one man, and that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this time BJP is leaving no stone unturned to win this election, because it will be after 25 years they'll be coming back to power. For the last 10 years it has been Aam Aadmi Party. So that was the reason that we have seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Home Minister Amit Shah had been leading the front. They have conducted several rallies here and also a road show. Let me speak to the people here. कितना लगता है आप इस बार कि बीजेपी के चांसेस हैं?
इस बार मोदी सरकार, इसके अलावा और कोई नहीं आएगा. आई एम रेजिडेंट ऑफ CPWD कॉलोनी 8C एंड लास्ट 2 ईयर्स से मैं खुद नोटिस कर रही हूँ. हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई हैं और हम ट्रांसफर होके आए. लास्ट 2 ईयर्स से 10-10 दिन तक हमारी कॉलोनी के कचरे नहीं उठते हैं, जो कि एक छोटे-छोटे गाँव में भी इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुका है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली साउथ दिल्ली का पार्ट होते हुए भी, VIP एरिया होते हुए भी ये सिचुएशन है. नाउ व्हाट वी शुड एक्सपेक्ट टू हिम for last 10 years.
For the last 10 years, several promises had been made. Let me speak to more women here. कितने उत्सुकता से इंतजार कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी?
बहुत उत्सुकता है, आ रहे हैं तो, और हमारी बस यही एक है कि दिल्ली में डबल इंजन की सरकार बने, मोदी जी आए, और ये सबका कंप्लेन है कूड़ा कचरा हटाने का. ये नहीं बना, वो नहीं बना, सब मोदी जी खत्म.
अरविंद केजरीवाल तो कहते हैं बहुत वादे किए उन्हें, हमने बहुत सारे पूरे.
कोई वादे नहीं किए, जो वादे किए एक भी नहीं निभाए. सब झूठे वाला झूठा.
People are saying that they are waiting for the double engine sarkar. Let me show you. Look at the large number of people here with a lot of excitement. They're holding BJP flag in their hand, and also they're holding several of those placards in their hand. They're saying that now they want to give freedom to Delhi from loot and the lies that Kejriwal had been saying. That's what actually the Prime Minister from the rally had been saying. That they have already promised so many things. We have seen that several women centers have been there. औरतों के लिए काफी कुछ बोला गया है. प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि 2500 औरतों को दिए जाएंगे. वहाँ केजरीवाल कहते हैं 2100. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
वो वादा पूरा करेंगे या ये वादा पूरा करेंगे?
नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री हमारे वादा पूरा करेंगे. जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं.
प्रधानमंत्री जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं।
प्रधानमंत्री जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं. That is what the people are saying. Because when BJP also announced certain freebies that time, Aam Aadmi Party started targeting them. They said that when we had been saying certain things, you were against freebies. All of a sudden, how come the freebies became blessings for you? But the BJP is insisting that these are not freebies. These are coming with the guarantee of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Because whatever Prime Minister had said all these years, he has fulfilled. He said that he's going to abrogate Article 370. Article 370 was abrogated. He said that they will be getting Ram Mandir. They got Ram Mandir. Whatever promises had been made, all those promises have been fulfilled. And that's one of the reasons that the people here are quite excited and waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to come out to this place. क्या कहना चाहते हैं इस बार आप? प्रधानमंत्री का कितना उत्सुकता से इंतजार है?
दिल्ली में इस बार बदलाव चाहती है दिल्ली की जनता। केजरीवाल की विदाई तय है आपकी बारी।
लगातार 10 साल से केजरीवाल को जिताते हैं, इस बार क्यों लग रहा है आपको?
उसने कोई दिल्ली में कोई विकास कार्य नहीं किया है, खाली झूठ और सिर्फ झूठ बोला है, तो उसको दिल्ली खुद ही छोड़ देनी चाहिए। सही तरीका तो यही है।
They are saying that what Kejriwal said, he has not fulfilled even a single promise. He said that he's going to transform Delhi into London, but what has happened over the period of time, it has become a kind of a dump yard. Because everywhere you'll find garbage littered around. That's what the people had been saying throughout, wherever we had been going to attend any of the election campaign by the BJP here also. Lot many people are sitting here. कितने उत्सुकता से इंतजार है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी?
जी हम तो बहुत उत्सुकता से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। सवेरे 7 बजे से आए हुए हैं और मैं भी मीडिया पर्सन हूँ।
7 बजे से वेट कर रहे हैं। So for since morning 7 they are waiting. And see, a lot of them, even they are just, क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
वोट फॉर बीजेपी।
Vote for BJP. Here you can see they are wearing the mask of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and there's a lot of excitement. I'll ask my video journalists to pan towards all 360-degree angle, pan towards all sides, and everywhere you will find the people either wearing turban, holding BJP flag, and they are waiting with a lot of excitement because this time they feel that the winds of change have already started blowing, and they want there should be a change in Delhi because people of Delhi had been suffering a lot. Let me show you. On stage you'll find many of the BJP leaders right now sitting, and they're also waiting for Prime Minister. Anytime Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming out to this place, this will be Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third rally because BJP is leaving no stone unturned. They are trying to ensure that whatever promises they are going to give to the people, all the promises. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितनी उत्सुकता से इंतजार कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री?
देखिए हमें मोदी चाहिए और यहाँ बीजेपी चाहिए और जितना भी इसने लूटा केजरीवाल ने हद से आगे हम नहीं लूटने देंगे और हम पूरी दिल्ली वाले दिल्ली निवासी जितने भी हैं हम चाहते हैं बदलाव चाहिए हमें बदलाव चाहिए जय श्री राम जय श्री राम।
They are saying that this time they are looking for the change. They will no more allow Kejriwal to swindle state exchequer. They will not allow Kejriwal to loot money because Kejriwal, when he came to power, he said that he will not be having a bigger car, he will not be staying in a bigger bungalow. So they say that what Kejriwal did when he came to power, the first thing he did was he wanted to have a bigger car, he wanted to lead a luxurious lifestyle. So how he was different from other people. So now they want a change because they have already seen how the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had been working at the center, how he has brought a kind of a transformation all over the country. Now they want a similar kind of a transformation in Delhi. They do not want to suffer, and that's one of the reasons. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज?
सर जिस हिसाब से केजरीवाल जी ने 10 साल के अंदर दिल्ली को नर्क बना दिया है उस हिसाब से उनकी सरकार जाती हुई दिखाई दे रही है और बीजेपी पूर्ण बहुमत से आती हुई नजर आ रही है।
जोश है प्रधानमंत्री के लिए?
बहुत ज्यादा जोश है जी। प्रधानमंत्री जी देश के प्रधानमंत्री सबके दिलों के प्रधानमंत्री है, सारे बैठे हुए हैं और दिल्ली में बीजेपी सरकार
प्रधानमंत्री जो गारंटी देते
that we are looking at as far as the BJP there, of course it was the Prime Minister himself who sounded the poll bugle with the first rally that he conducted in the national capital, and that gave the BJP a renewed vigor. When it comes to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who also met with a delegation of 360 villages of Delhi Dehat. Now he has escalated his attack on Arvind Kejriwal, accusing him of lying and cheating the people of Delhi Dehat. The Union Home Minister saying that nearly 360 villages and 36 communities have been affected by the Apda that has now given their full support to the BJP. Isha is with us right now because Isha, Delhi Dehat, and especially when it comes to the important constituents that we are now looking at, especially when it comes to the boost that they may give for the BJP, it seems that the Union Home Minister and the BJP leaders are also counting on them.
क्या करे, यमुना जी की सफाई पे उन्हें
Right, definitely, Amita. So, the stalwarts of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, even the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar have sounded the poll bugle here in the national capital. All of them have come in here to campaign in the national capital. Currently, we are at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally. He is expected to arrive here shortly. We're also expecting to see a controversial BJP leader, Ramesh Beduri, here as well. And you can see here that a sea of saffron has emerged here. Thousands of supporters of the Prime Minister of the Bharatiya Janata Party have arrived here at RK Puram. But also, Amita, it's imperative to note that this is a small area in South Delhi. This is a small gully where this entire arrangement has been made. And despite that, the number of people who queued in is unprecedented. And you can see that this entire area is absolutely filled. But as Pradeep was also pointing out, this is an area where a lot of exuberance and excitement is there. But the main attacks that the Prime Minister is expected to rake up are the one on Yamuna and the fact that Sanatan and the fact that there are people and politicians who have disrespected Sanatan, which has led to Hinduism, the alleged decline of Hinduism is what the BJP is stating. But now also as we speak, there are BJP Karyakartas who have lined up here, who are talking, who are campaigning.
Pradeep, we have been speaking to them as we are standing by for the Prime Minister's public address. But also let's get you these exclusive conversations that we have been having, including that of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who has declared that Arvind Kejriwal is losing the elections not just in Delhi but also the seat of New Delhi, where he is contesting from, as Amit Shah has asserted that the BJP would form the next government in Delhi with a full majority.
हम रोहतास नगर में इस वक्त मौजूद हैं और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी रोड शो कर रहे हैं। चारों तरफ आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके की जो भीड़ है वो आपको नजर आ रही होगी। सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, ये जो पब्लिक का हुजूम है क्या बता रहा है, किस तरफ संकेत दे रहा है?
दिल्ली इस बार परिवर्तन करने जा रही है। 8 तारीख को मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में डबल इंजन की सरकार बनी।
आपने कहा कि नई दिल्ली भी जो है आम आदमी पार्टी हारने वाली है।
जी, निश्चित रूप से नई दिल्ली की सीट पर प्रवेश वर्मा जीतेंगे। बड़े मार्जिन से केजरीवाल जी हारे।
केजरीवाल जी ने आज कहा, जब बजट आया तो उन्होंने कहा कि केंद्र सरकार ने चंद अमीरों का ऋण माफ कर दिया है, दिल्ली वालों को कुछ नहीं दिया।
18 लाख रुपया अगर करोड़पतियों के 12 लाख रुपया की आय केजरीवाल को करोड़पतियों की लगती है तो उनको भगवान ही बचाए। मध्यम वर्ग के 12 लाख तक की आय के सभी लोगों का इनकम टैक्स माफ किया है। ये इनके नजर में नहीं आएगा, इनकी आंखों में मोतियाबिंब हो गया है।
सर, आपको क्या लगता है इस बार चुनाव का सबसे बड़ा अहम मुद्दा क्या है? भ्रष्टाचार है, शीश महल है, क्या है?
भ्रष्टाचार, शीश महल, वादा खिलाफी, कूड़ा कचरा, प्रदूषित पानी, ढेर सारे मुद्दे, हर मोर्चे पर सरकार विफल गई।
सर, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से ये बार बार कहा जा रहा है, मैसेज आ रहे हैं, लोगों के पास कॉल आ रहे हैं कि बीजेपी की सरकार आएगी तो योजनाएं जो हम चला रहे थे वो बंद कर देंगी। ये लगातार
उनकी बात को कोई नहीं मानता। हमारी पार्टी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि हमने बहुत सारी नई योजनाएं भी घोषित की है और पुरानी कोई योजना बंद नहीं करेगी।
सर, एक अंतिम सवाल जानना चाहता हूं, कांग्रेस पार्टी भी मैदान में उतर गई है। आज प्रियंका जी ने कहा कि एक ने शीश महल बनाया, एक ने राजमहल बनाया।
देखिए, कांग्रेस और आप पार्टी दोनों से ज्यादा वोट भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मिले।
और सर, कितनी
दोनों के टोटल से ज्यादा।
और सर, कितनी सीटें इस बार आपको अनुमान लगता है?
अब तक के सबसे बड़े मार्जिन से हम जीते।
Well, interestingly, it was the Prime Minister during the first rally sounding the poll bugle in Delhi had coined the term as Aapda. Thank you very much, Pradeep and Isha, for joining in. We'll be standing by for the Prime Minister's public address. In the meantime, we head into a short break.